you hop on here, tell me where you're watching from. Tell me what you're doing today. Just wait just 1 second. So, we're going to have a little fun today. So, I've gotten a couple requests on how I make my cleaning wipes. So, we're going to go over that today. So, the question is, have you ever made your own cleaning wipes? Okay, that's a little bit. Okay, I think that will work. Okay, so have you ever made your own cleaning wipes? So, this is super simple. I love to have these around the house and just to allow my house to be less chemical. So, we're going to jump into it. I don't want to keep you guys very long. So, all you simply need is some type of airtight container and some On Guard, foaming soap, okay, some On Guard concentrated cleaner, fractionated coconut oil, and water. That's it. Okay, so first thing, you just simply take a roll of paper towels, cut them in half. I actually use my electric knife. A lot of you chefs out there won't really like that aspect. So, but I just use my electric knife just because it's a lot easier. So you cut them in half, and literally you can save the other half for later. Okay, super simple. So I like to use distilled water, and simply you just put, you can heat this up and make it hot, but simply you just put 2 cups of water. If you hop on here, make sure that you can hear me. Tell me hi. Tell me where you're watching from. So simply just 2 cups of water and just pour it in your container. And then I like to put 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. If you don't have fractionated coconut oil, you can use some olive oil. So that one's getting a little low. So we're just going to take off the lid. Now it looks like it's kind of going to rain outside. Okay, and then another tablespoon. Perfect. Okay, so then the On Guard concentrated cleaner. And you just simply do 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. So tell me what kinds of DIY things that you've actually done by yourself. And then I just like, On Guard is our immune support. So literally I like to put like 20 drops of On Guard in there. 1, 2. And guys, that's literally it. And then you're asked, how does that work with paper towels? Okay, so I just like to stir this up. Just simply stir it up. And then you just simply put half of the roll in the water and just set it down in there, and the paper towels are going to absorb it. And then you just simply set your clock to 10 minutes and let it set for 10 minutes. And then what you're going to do is flip it and let it set for 10 more minutes. And then what it actually is going to look like when you're done. So once that sets for another 10 minutes, instead of me hanging out with you guys, I'd love to hang out with you all, but instead of keeping you on this Friday afternoon, because I know you guys are busy, and tell me what you're doing tonight. I mean, are you having some fun? Are you getting out of the house? Are you getting some movement in? So simply when you're done, the water is going to allow the cardboard inside to be really wet, and you simply just pull it out and throw it away. Super simple. And then you just take the inside and pull it out. And literally, I love to have these around the house to clean surfaces, clean door handles, clean the wall down, whatever you would like to clean. So it's great to clean your hands. If you're one of those persons that love clean shoes, clean off your shoes after you wear them. Literally, just anything. You just your mind just let it wander, and whatever you clean with, I mean, literally, you can just use these. So it's super simple, super fun, and it gets you away from all of those chemicals. So if I have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, comment below on anything else you would love to learn how to make. Really, that took no time whatsoever. So, and we're more using something more natural, and we're boosting that immune system. So super easy, super fun. And if you try this, comment below and tell me that you tried it, and tell me how much you like it. So I'll talk to you soon, and literally just save this for another little dose. So I actually got this container at Michael's, super inexpensive. You can get something off Amazon, or if you have something around the house, just use that. So until next time, and if you're in on my team, I'm about ready to talk about the product of the month oil, which is, it's like so super enticing. So I'm going to go over that in my group. So head on over there, and I'll see you later. Bye.